Welcome back. We're on to section 8. We're going to continue working with lists. So we have a list here, a group of numbers, 1, 9, 3, 8, and so on. And we want to double each of those numbers and then print out the value in the console. And we're going to cycle through the items here using the keyword for. So let me zoom in a little bit, and we'll get a better idea of how a for loop works. So you can see the name of the list right there, my list, and then we're using the keyword for. If you've ever done any programming before in Java or any other language, you'll know that for is used for creating loops, but here we use it to iterate or cycle through the items in a list. So how does this work? Well, number will just simply be assigned the value of the item in the list. So the first time we go through it, number will be 1, we'll carry out some action, and then number will be 9, and so on, and we'll go right to the end. And this variable here, it can be anything at all. It really doesn't matter. It's your choice. It will still work. However, the name of the list has to be the same as the list you're working with. So the variable, you're free to call that whatever you want, but the list itself has to be the same name. So let's go ahead and put our code in here. And we'll say 2 multiplied by the number. Okay, so the first time we iterate, number is 1, we multiply it by 2, and then we want to print it out to the console. And let me just remove the comment so it's a little bit easier to read. And then we iterate again, number becomes 9, we multiply it by 2 and print it out to the console, and so on. So let's go ahead and test out our code. Print run, and you can see here that we've doubled each number in the list, and we made it right to the end. So this is a nice way to go through a list of items. In the next section,